Hi friends! Welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. Today, in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created a folded tag pocket. This is day 86 of 100 Days of Pockets. If you would like to see how Cindy and I are creating these pockets and you would like an instruction booklet, check out my description box. Cindy's Ko-Fi link is in there, and you can go and download it for yourself. All right, my friends, today what you're going to need is a tag pre-made, or you can make one right now that you'd like to use, your scoring tool or a bone folder, glue or tape, ink, stamps, and embellishments. Take your large tag, and actually I'm going to go ahead and score mine because we're going to end up folding it up to create the pocket. So let me put this here like this, and I'm going to decide, I think I'll fold it up about an inch. I think that should be good enough. So I'm scoring it here. Oops, I tore my paper a little because it's wet, because I literally just made this tag, and so it was a little bit wet with glue, but that's all right. We're still gonna keep moving forward here. Okay, now once you have folded it up, put a bead of glue down both sides, and this will glue it into place. Now I want to decorate this pocket, so I'm going to grab my Fabri-Tac, and I'm going to put a strip along the very top. Well, not the very top. I'm coming about a ½ inch down, okay? And I'm going to do the same thing, but through the middle of this section here. Now this pocket has a certain vibe going on, and it would look really cool with brown or black stitching around the edges. I am not going to do that, but as I was looking at it, I just was thinking about that. I'm going to have a little bit of this ruffle stick up over the edge to create a little more height for the pocket. And then this one's going to go down here. And then I grabbed some velvet ribbon. Here it is. Let's go ahead and cut 2 pieces of red velvet ribbon. And I've got my Fabri-Tac once again. I could use hot glue. I'm going to take a quick look before everything settles and dries. And if I need to adjust it, I'm going to do that now. And I do need to adjust it. Look how crooked this piece, this red piece is here. We cannot have that. Absolutely cannot have that. Okay, let's fix it. Okay, that looks a little bit better. All right, let me check it again. Oh yeah, so much better. Okay. Pull this down a little bit and pull this up a little bit. Okay, I think we're in pretty good shape now. I'm going to trim the edges, but before I do, I'm going to just lock these into place so that when I'm trimming, I don't accidentally pull on them. Sometimes if our scissors have glue or something like that, that can happen pretty easily, and I don't want to move that stuff. Alrighty. Oh, I gotta scooch this over just a little bit more. Alright, my friends, I have this cute little tag, and I'm gonna pop this tag in the pocket there. It fits perfectly. I love it. I feel that this tag calls for a flower, so I chose this cute little white flower. This was also given to me by my friend Christine of Kawaii Memo Love. And I am going to pop that right in the top at the center right there. And voila. Is it centered? Let's scooch it over a little. It doesn't... I've been really bad about that lately. I don't know why. Gonna have to start measuring things. Yeah, I'm usually able to eyeball it pretty good, but lately I don't know what's going on. Anyway, my friends, this is our folded tag pocket, and I hope that you will check out Cindy's channel if you haven't already and see what she came up with today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.